Um, it's difficult. So lots of the companies I've seen over the last 12 months have been like no code for X, and there's lots of like sort of copycat blanket no code for startup idea there. But lots of the companies I invested in were on the business side, so it's more B2B, solving like challenges for a marketing team or things like that. And while they're not sexy and like interesting to the masses, it's that's where tons of that work is being done right now. Like that Halo Cars example for Zapier, I think they were doing like a customer coming in, it would take like 2 or 3 hours of work moving data to here, making sure you're filling in this form, doing that over there, blah 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 blah, all of that stuff that really turned into like minutes of work when there's automations involved. And now we're seeing sort of the splitting up of those things where okay, we're Zapier for X, we're going more niche on those things, and I wonder how much of that will work. I think you sort of see the sort of bundling and unbundling of everything, and everything goes in waves, and it almost comes back full circle. So I do wonder what we're going to see there. But yeah, there's a few things like the GPT-3 stuff. Any tools that can sort of literally make it feel like magic, that's something I'm like, right, what is that? I want to know what that is. That's really interesting. I've never seen anything like that before. But because I'm so in this space right now, there's lots of, we are another web app builder. Like, we are another way to build a website. And it's like, yeah, there's lots of these now. So where are the bigger swings happening? And I know some of that is counterintuitive to some of the stuff I've been talking about, but like, yeah, we need these companies that sort of go, right, we're going to allow it so that you just think of a website and it comes up type thing. Like we need some of that to push those boundaries.